Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this Grow a Garden Roblox tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to earn a coin fast and how you can sell your plants to get the money. So what you need to do in here, just go to your garden first, your farm, and then you can just choose the plant that you want to sell. Let's say in here I'm going to sell this carrot. You can just click on E to collect or tap on it, click on it just like this, and then you can just click on a sell options at the top here. Click on the carrot that you want to sell, click on E to talk to the owner of the shop, and here you can, since I already holding it, so I'm going to just click on this. I want to sell this, and they will give you the money. And you can just go back to your garden after that. And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.